Hello everyone, now I'm with Cyansky new flashlight. It is the H1R here, this one. This one is a small flashlight. It uses 14500 battery, or you can also use normal NIMH battery too. The LED inside is OSRAM LED CSLNM1, okay, NM1 white light and SMO reflector, smooth reflector. Single side switch. This one for the max output is about 1300 lumens, and for the max throw about 240 meters. Okay. Magnetic tail cap here. Let me show you here, like this, very strong, and also come with a clip. Okay. USB-C charging port here. This is very good. The way to this assembly, the flashlight is here like this. Just unscrew. Okay. It can also use normal AA battery too. This is a good thing. Okay. Also has USB-C charging port, but I think USB-C charging port is for lithium-ion battery. Okay. If compared to a former version here, this one is Cyansky P12R. It is quite similar. Okay, but maybe I think P12R is more powerful and different in UI too. Okay, P12R use very simple UI, but this one, it has hidden turbo. I like the UI of H1R more. Okay, but the appearance, okay, is similar. Okay. And the way to add the clip is different too. Okay, here, let's have a look at it. Okay. Okay, let's have a look at some information about H1R. Okay. Here is the lumen information. For the high mode, 1300 lumens, it lasts about 55 minutes. Okay, and 240 meters throw. Medium, 300 lumen, it lasts about 1 hour. Low 50 lumen, it lasts about 4.7 hours, and eco 5 lumen, it lasts about 116 hours here. Okay. 1 lithium-ion battery, 2 meter impact resistant, and IP68, okay, for waterproof. Okay. And there's also runtime graph here. Okay, this is very good. Here, runtime graph. Okay. The LED OSRAM CSLNM1.tg cool white. I think it would be great if the LED is about like 5000K, something like that. Okay. For me, cool white is quite too white. Okay. Okay, this is the information about this flashlight. Okay. Okay, let's see how it works. To use this flashlight, there's only one side switch here. Okay. Very easy to use. One click to turn on, one click to turn off. For brightness level, eco is hidden. High is hidden too. Okay. When it is on, okay, it will turn on low and medium. Okay, this is low and medium. Okay. If you want to access high, just double click here like this. And if you want to exit, just press and hold. It will go back. Okay. For strobe, 3 clicks. 1, 2, 3 here. Okay. From strobe, press and hold will go back here. Okay. If you just do 1 click from strobe, it will turn off. Okay. To access eco from off, press and hold. Eco can be memorized. Okay. Here like this. But for the high mode, highest output, it can't be memorized. Okay. To lock the flashlight, just 4 clicks from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now it is locked. See that? To unlock, 4 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here. Very easy to use. Okay, and it can throw quite well in such a small size. Okay. Okay, let's walk around and see some beam shots. Hello everyone. Now I'm with Cyansky H1R. Okay, this is the low mode. Okay. I think this flashlight can give really good throw in such a small size. Okay, and You can use both lithium ion battery and also normal AA battery. This is the low mode, okay. Osram CSLNM1 LED. It can give really good throw, okay, here. The beam is good, the hotspot is good. There are some ring at the edge, okay, but not ugly, okay. Here, you can get a thrower in such a small size, okay. This is the low mode, okay. Let's go to the house here, okay. Wow, not bad at all, okay. Let's go to medium, okay. Here is medium, see that? Wow. Oh, sorry, this is medium, sorry. This is medium, okay, it's medium mode. It is low, medium, and then high, okay. High is hidden, okay, high is hidden. Really good throw, okay. If you want a flooded version, maybe you have to choose P12R, something like that, okay. Okay, let's go to high mode, double click here. Wow, very bright, you see that? There's a little smoke in the air, okay. Here, the highest mode here lasts about, it doesn't last long, okay, maybe about 1 minute, and then it gradually step down, okay. Here, there's also strobe mode, okay. Really good throw. That tree is maybe about 50 meters, okay. Really good throw. Overall, in my opinion, it's a good flashlight. You can use both lithium ion battery and also normal AA battery. Magnetic tail cap, USB-C charging port on the flashlight, okay. Very good. Things for improvement, maybe I think the LED should be like there's also a warmer version like 5000K, something like that, okay. Overall for this one, I think it's fine. Here, I think it stepped down already, okay. It stepped down already. If I do double click, okay, it will go back to medium mode, okay. Let's see. Oh, sorry. It stepped down to the level, okay, that is still brighter than medium, okay. It's very cold. I cannot press the button well, okay, sorry for that. Actually, I have tried that. When it stepped down, it will step down to the level that is still brighter than medium. This is about medium, okay. Overall, okay, I think this flashlight is good, okay. And if possible, if Cyansky can get rid of the ring at the edge here, let me show you, it would be great, okay. Here, there's a ring at the edge like this, okay. Okay, but not ugly, okay. But if it has a clearer beam, okay, with no rings like this, it would be great, okay. This is the highest mode, okay. I hope you will enjoy my review. Thanks for watching.